Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how to change or reset discount in our system. Both discounts are wrongly given. How to switch their discount back to correct item. Let's get started. Hit the Manager function button. Hit the function button. Select the item. Hit the special function. $5 discount is in place. Correct the other one. Hit the function button. Select the item. Hit the special function. 15% discount is in place. For own convenient, I normally map reset discount button to remove item discount. Let's remove discount from both items. Hit the reset discount button. Select the item. Hit the special function. Hit the reset discount button. Select the item. Hit the special function. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others' tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.